You have 147 apps on your phone. How many do you use? 12, maybe 15. The others? They're just sitting there taking up space, draining battery, and most importantly, draining your soul. Because every time you feel lost, anxious, or unproductive, what's the first thing you do? Download another app. Oh, this one will fix my life. Lie. Let me tell you a painful truth. You don't have an organization problem. You have an addiction to fake solutions. Last week you downloaded a meditation app, used it for 2 days. Last month it was that productivity one. You set everything up nicely, put in all the tasks. 1 week later, forgot it existed. And before that, the workout app that was supposed to turn you into the Rock? How long did that last? 3 workouts? You know what the real problem is here? You think there's an app that will do the work for you? Spoiler, it doesn't exist. Maria, 28 years old, has 23 productivity apps. 23. You know how many important things she did yesterday? 0. She spent 2 hours organizing the apps. João downloaded 15 language learning apps. How many languages does he speak? 1. Portuguese. Poorly. Anna has 31 fitness apps. Weight lost? Not a single gram. But she knows 47 different ways to count calories she never counts. Oh, but I need the right app to motivate me. Stop. Motivation doesn't come from push notifications. It comes from doing the thing even when you don't want to. But this app has a prettier interface. It's easier to use. Ridiculous. You know what's easy? Opening a notebook, picking up a pen, writing "do X today," doing it. It's just that I need gamification to stay engaged. Seriously? You need virtual points to brush your teeth? Real life is already the most hardcore game there is. You earn real money, real relationships, real health. But no, you'd rather collect digital badges. Oh, but what if I forget? Pathetic excuse number 1. You don't forget to check Instagram 47 times a day. You don't forget to watch stories. You don't forget to scroll TikTok for 2 hours. You forget what's not important to you. Period. It's just that I work better with automatic reminders. Automatic reminder number 1, you're an adult. Number 2, adults do important things without needing a robot to poke them. But everyone uses these apps. So what? Everyone also spends 2 hours a day on their phone watching other people's lives. Everyone complains they don't have time. Everyone lives anxious. Do you want to be everyone? Now I'm going to give you the real solution. Pay attention because it's going to sting a little. Rule number 1. 3 apps. Just 3. WhatsApp for communication. Maps so you don't get lost. Bank so you don't starve. The rest? Trash. But what about Netflix? Netflix isn't an essential app. It's entertainment. Huge difference. Rule number 2. Paper and pen exist. Want to write something important down? Paper. Want to make a to-do list? Paper. Want to plan your week? Paper. You know why paper works? Because it doesn't send notifications. It doesn't freeze. It doesn't need updates. It doesn't disappear when the battery dies. And most importantly, when you write by hand, your brain processes differently. You remember more. You focus more. Rule number 3. Stop looking for the perfect app. It doesn't exist. It never will. You know what the perfect app is? Your discipline. Want to meditate? Sit down, close your eyes, breathe. Done. Want to work out? Do push-ups. Walk down the street. Climb stairs. Want to learn English? Read a book in English. Watch a movie without subtitles. Want to be productive? Do the most important task of the day. Now. Rule number 4. 1 task at a time. Stop making lists with 47 items. 1 important thing per day. 1. Finished it? You can do another. Didn't finish? Keep going until you finish. Rule number 5. Define why before how. Before downloading anything, ask yourself, why do I want this? If the answer is because everyone has it, or because it looks cool, or because it will organize me, don't download it. If it's because I need to solve X specific problem that's messing up my life, then maybe. But first try solving it without an app. Let me ask you a question that will reveal who you really are. Do you want to change your life, or do you want to feel like you're changing your life? Because downloading an app gives you the feeling of change. For 2 minutes. Doing the thing gives you real change. Forever. So here's your challenge. Next 7 days, only 3 apps on your phone. The rest? Delete them or move them to a hidden folder. 7 days? Then tell me in the comments, did you miss any app? Or did you discover you can live better without them? I bet I already know the answer, but you need to find out for yourself. Because the most brutal truth of all is this. You always knew you didn't need so many apps. You were just afraid to admit it. Now you've admitted it. And now stop stalling and go do something useful with your life. Without any app. If this video bothered you, good. It means I hit where it hurts. If you liked it, share it with someone who needs to hear this. And if you didn't like it, download an app to complain. See you next time.